Hello everyone, let's learn how to measure different baking ingredients. Before tayo mag-start, introduce ko muna sa inyo ang mga equipment na kailangan nating gamitin sa pagme-measure. Measuring cup o measuring glass jar to measure liquid ingredients. And next, measuring cup for dry ingredients. Regular spoon to scoop in ingredients. And metal spatula to level up ingredients. And sieve to sift the flour. How to measure flour? Step 1. Sift the flour to remove lumps and big particles. In also, much lighter and airier than unsifted flour. Step 2. Use a regular spoon to scoop the flour into a measuring cups. When overflowing the flour, use a metal spatula to level the ingredients. Mga maling ginagawa pag nagme-measure ng flour ay yung pagka-scoop mo sa measuring cup ng flour ay sinishake mo. Once kasi po ito ay shinake nyo, hindi po ito papantay yung pinakasukat. At isa rin mali yung pag-scoop ng flour ng gamit agad yung measuring cups kasi once na ginawa mo to, hindi rin magpapantay yung parang pinakasukat niya. Step 1. Spoon sugar to the measuring cup. And step 2, level it off using a spatula. And do not tap the sugar to avoid having it compressed inside the cup. Step 1, soften butter. And step 2, fill the measuring cup. And press firmly until no space left. And step 3, level up using a spatula. In step 1, place the jar in the flat surface before pouring any liquid ingredients to be measured.